Hi, Jenny here. And as I'm beginning to film, all of a sudden thunder is happening and we got some storms moving through. So you may or may not hear some of that in the background. But anyways, I know I just made a chocolate chip cookie recipe, but when I was going through my files and looking for that recipe, I found another one that also sounded really delicious to try. So today I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies with using Hershey Bars. So let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 sticks of butter softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 2 Hershey's bars chopped up. We are going to measure 2 1/4 cups of our flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a medium-sized bowl, and then we're going to set that aside. We will now cream together our butter and 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and then after that we'll add our eggs and vanilla. Alright, you want to remember to scrape down your bowl and your beater and all that, get all the dough off of here so that if there is anything that wasn't quite mixed in, there's a little bit of butter up here, that we put that back in the bowl, and then when it mixes again this next time, it'll get all mixed in. Alright, and make sure that the eggs are well beaten in there. And then we're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla and half a cup of cocoa powder. Start off slow because you got that cocoa powder in there so it doesn't poof all over. We'll mix this all in and then we'll add our other flour mixture in. Alright, we are going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips, and then Hershey bars come in these different segments. So we're going to break them apart into their segments, and then we are also going to cut these into probably thirds so that we'll have a nice sized chunk of these in our cookies too. Well, it's a quick moving storm. It's already done. Alrighty, now we're going to preheat our oven to 375, and we're going to drop these by teaspoonfuls onto a cookie tray. Also, if you have a scooper, you could use a scooper. And in this mixture too, if you wanted to add nuts, you could add nuts to the cookie dough. Because I had nuts in my other one that I made, I decided I'll do this one nut-free. All right, into the 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. All right, the timer's beeped. I actually checked on them at 8 and they still looked a little wet, so I let them go for 9. So there you go. They'll cook just a little bit more on the pan, but they spread out kind of a lot. Let your cookies cool for about 2 minutes on the cookie sheet and then remove them off to a cooling rack so they can cool completely. Okay, the chocolate chip cookies are done. I think I would call them triple chocolate cookies though, because you've got the cocoa powder, the chocolate chips, and the Hershey Bars in there. So it's a lot of chocolate, but you can never have too much chocolate, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go have a great day. Bye-bye. So chocolatey. This one, back it up and back it up. I'm gonna do this all day. That's a Cassie Group song. I have to find it.